This is Fred. Fred is sad. He spends many hours walking and searching for parts. He cannot keep up with the amount of orders coming in. Fred is very tired and overworked. This is Tom. Tom is happy. Tom easily picks parts at an ergonomic access window. He's batch picking several orders at once, which makes Tom very productive. Dynamic storage and retrieval systems from Kardex Remstar utilize vertical height, densely storing more products than would be possible in racks and shelving, recovering up to 85% of floor space. With parts stored in a smaller footprint, this reduces walking and searching for parts, increasing picking productivity by up to 2/3. With these productivity gains, second and third shifts can be reduced, or workers can be reassigned to new tasks. Integrated with pick-to-light technology, inventory accuracy can increase up to 99.9%. Kardex Remstar solutions make Tom's job very easy. Contact us for more information on how to make your operations more efficient and your employees happy, just like Tom.